how to enable link preview in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you enable the link preview on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp and from there, you'll have to just open any conversation and from the send message section, you'll have to just paste the link whom you want to send in WhatsApp with the preview link. So in my case, I'm pasting this one. Alright, so from this interface, make sure that you have entered the full link of that site or video. So it will be like under HTTP or HTTPS, and after you done it, tap on the option send. Alright, so as you can see in my case, I have no any link preview on my WhatsApp. So for that, you'll have to just back from here and from the WhatsApp section, tap on the option setting just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the setting section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option privacy. Okay, so from the privacy section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option advanced. Okay, so from the advanced section, make sure that you have turned off the features like disable link previews. So simply you'll have to just turn off this feature from here. And after you turn off the features like disable link preview, you'll have to just back from here and open that conversation again. And from here, you'll have to again paste that URL. Alright, so as you can see, here is the link preview is showing on my WhatsApp and I can easily send it from here with the thumbnail of that YouTube link. So in this way, you can easily enable the link preview on WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful to you and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.